Hey, if you're looking to get solar panels installed on your asphalt roof and you live in San Antonio, this video is for you. So on this property, this homeowner is getting solar panels installed. They called us out to check the roof for the condition and the longevity. What we found was that this roof's lifespan is over. This roof is about 15 to 20 years old. It's been hit by hail. It has wind damage, inadequate ventilation, and it has high nails. This roof is not a good candidate to get solar panels installed. So on this particular roof, if they were to install their solar panels over the existing roof, they would have had to replace the roof in about 2 to 3 years. And this is what would happen. They would have to come back out, have the solar company dismount everything, the panels, the bracket, the power lines, and then the penetrations in the roof. All that would have to be removed and reset to the side. We would re-roof the property. After the roof would be 100% completed, the solar company would have to come back out and remount the brackets, the solar panels, the roof penetrations, and all the electrical. All that on this particular property would cost somewhere around $3,000 to $4,000. It makes no sense not to replace your roof if it's outdated and it needs to be replaced. So now that this homeowner did their due diligence, is replacing the roof, the solar panels are gonna come in next. But now the solar company is gonna come in and they're gonna install it over a nice, clean, long-lasting roof. A roof that's gonna last them anywhere between 15 and 20 years, right? So they won't have that extra expense of removing and replacing the panels, something that's gonna cost them about $3,000 to $4,000. All right, here we are. We are all done with this property. As you can see, the solar panels were installed over a clean slate 25-year rated roof. Now this homeowner won't have to worry about the roof for another 25 years. If you're in San Antonio and you're considering installing solar panels over your asphalt roof or metal roof, give us a call 210-900-0977 or visit our website for a free inspection on your roof. Thanks for watching. Like always, if you have something to say, drop us a comment below. I'll see you on the next clip.